What's going on, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. Pierre, you wanna come out here? Poppin' tag, YSL, smoking gas. I told y'all I was gonna be bringing it in. I was gonna be coming strong. I was gonna be grinding, man. But nah, for real, today it's just about to be a little slight day. I'm about to just be washing the car because it's a little dirty. It's a little filthy. It ain't that bad though, because it's been raining and the rain been like keeping the dirt off a little bit. But my wheels, man, my wheels are dusty and I need to clean those because like it's just filled with like brake dust. And I cleaned the wheels about like a couple weeks ago and they just got dirty that quick. So I need to clean them, but first I need to go to the store and pick up some more wheel cleaner because I pretty much ran out of this. So I use McGuire's hot rims and wheel and tire cleaner. This stuff right here, man, is good. If you use it, you know what I'm talking about. It's good. But if you don't, you should get on it and get some because it'll have your wheels looking brand new, man. I tell you, I'm not gonna lie. They'll have your wheels looking good, nice and shiny and all that. I also got these caliper covers right here that I've been thinking about putting on. I had them for a while now. I had them since like last summer or something like that. They not great. They wasn't originally this color, but because this don't look too real or anything like that, I painted them gray just to give it a little bit more realistic look. Even though when they were yellow, I had them on the car for like one day, and after that I took them off because like something went wrong. I'm gonna tell y'all that in another video. Like the first day I put them jumps on, like shit went downhill. So I'm gonna tell y'all about that in another video, man. We about to just go ahead, go outside and wash this damn car so I can get it over with because it's hot outside. Clean them wheels. You know what? I gotta go to the store. So I'm on my way to the store. I didn't go yesterday, so I'm about to go today because I need to go get some paint and some clear coat so I can paint my bumper. And I also need to get some wheel cleaner because I didn't actually like clean my wheels with it. So I'm gonna get some of that, and I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, I'm here at the store. About to leave out. This now I'm spending like $30. Cause the paint like 10. Then I need to get 2 clear coats and stuff like that. I got the paint now, but I couldn't find no clear coat, so now I gotta go to another store and find some clear coat for this so I could do this. I was hoping they had it though, because like I'm tired of doing all this running around. It's been like good 3 weeks. Oh yeah, and then they didn't even have the wheel and tire cleaner, so I gotta go somewhere else and get that. But it's not like I really need it, but I wanted it since I was in there and stuff. But since they don't got it, I either gotta wait for them to get it or go somewhere else. All right, so I'm back at the crib. I'm about to put these caliper covers on. Well, I'm not about to fully install them, but I'm gonna just like put them on there so I can see how they look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like put them in between the wheel and like try to prop them up on the caliper and stuff so I can just see how it is. Cause y'all know my calipers are yellow. And then these caliper covers are gray. So I'm gonna just see how they look. So I'm gonna just slide it through like this. Alright, I got it on there. But you see how you can see like the yellow behind it, and I don't know, I don't really like that. Yeah, see, I don't really like that right there. You can see the whole caliper, so you know that ain't nothing. Yeah, so I'm not about to put them on. Good thing the spaces in between the spokes was big enough for me to put them on and stuff, because my last wheels, when I had them on, I had to take the whole wheel off just to see how they look. And I mean, this time it was a little bit more convenient. That way I ain't had to take the wheel off. It saved me some time and some energy. But yeah, I'm not gonna put them on because they don't look right. They look real tacky. They look real cheap. So guess I'm just gonna change the color of the brakes, or either leave them like that until I get a big brake upgrade and stuff like that. But this is about to be the end of the video. Make sure you go check out my previous videos if you're new. If you've been here, if you've been subscribed, just look out for more videos. I got more stuff coming. I got my bumper coming soon, so just be on the lookout for all that. And this is the end of the video, and I'll see y'all in the next.